letter D, where D is equal to B square minus 4AC and now you have a question. This is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 any quadratic equation. When quadratic equation is in form of ax square plus bx plus c, then discriminant d will equal to b square minus 4ac. So how we find the nature of roots? If this discriminant d is greater than 0, means the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots will unequal. Roots will unequal if the d is greater than 0, and if d is equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac is 0, then what is the nature of roots? Roots will equal and exist. But if d is less than 0, means b square minus 4ac is in negative form. When it comes negative, then roots, you can say no roots will found. No roots. So once again, when there is any quadratic equation in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then discriminant d will equal to b square minus 4ac. It is used to find out the nature of roots when d is greater than 0, means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots will unequal. Clear? And if d is equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac will equal to 0, then the roots will equal, means same. And if d is less than 0, this value is less than 0, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means when we solve this value, it comes in negative form, then no roots will found. कोई भी. Clear? So this is used for